Welcome to Fun Food Cooking channel. Today we are making delicious, amazing spicy chicken dish. So let's get started. First take your chicken breast and cut it into pieces. Then coat these pieces in starch and slice them thinly. Drop these slices into boiling water, let them cook and then take them out to cool. Now finally chop some red chili, garlic and green onions. To this add minced scallion, white sesame seeds, chili powder, cumin powder, hot oil, half a spoon of sugar substitute, 2 spoons of light soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix it well. For an added burst of flavors, toss in some fresh coriander and mix again until everything is well combined. It is really delicious to eat. Now the final step is to cut a lemon into pieces and then mix it with your favorite drink. Now sit back, relax and enjoy your meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing and delicious recipes. So happy cooking! See you later.